Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now any further ado, let's dive into this amazing carving video of maxillary first premolar. So first I'm quickly marking the crown and the root dimensions. Okay, so first line which you saw I'm drawing is of 8.5 millimeters, which is for our crown, and then 14 millimeter is for the root. Now I will name the surfaces labial, palatal, mesial and distal. Now I will mark the mesiodistal diameter, which is 5.5 millimeters on the labial as well as palatal surface. Now I'm drawing two divergent lines, that is on the labial as well as palatal aspect. And now I'll start reducing the wax from the mesial as well as distal surfaces of this wax block, okay, as per the line drawn. Now here closely look at the strokes which I am applying, okay. Carving is mainly about the strokes and the pressure which you give while carving. Also guys, you can check out my video on maxillary molar carving. It is super easy and in just 20 minutes you will be able to carve your maxillary first molar. And if you like this channel, if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends. Because DentoWoman is all about dentistry and dentist, and I create videos which add maximum value to your dentistry career. Now beginning with the crown carving, on the buccal surface I'm drawing one line and we will start reducing the wax which is extra on both the sides, so that it will help us to carve a cusp. Simply I am rounding the line angles wherever the two surfaces are joining. Okay, I am giving it a very nice round margin. Okay, no sharp edges. So friends, now the next few strokes are very much important. We are gonna carve the occlusal anatomy, so just pay attention. Now we'll be making two triangular fossas on the mesial and the distal side. Be careful while giving these strokes, okay? Now we will define the central groove by removing some wax around it. and also we'll remove some wax from the cervical portion so that it becomes distinct and pronounced. So now we will begin with the root carving, and I will start from the apex. Okay, as you can see, I have divided it into two halves, and then we'll gradually begin the carving. Also, I have drawn the root portion over that wax block, and the area which is excess or around that root is what I'm gonna remove it. Now I'm removing the wax from all the four corners. Now you can appreciate something like a premolar root is about to form, right? I found this is the easiest way to carve the maxillary first premolar, and if this video is helping you all, then please don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comment that have you found this video or any other video request if you have. So here you can see this is the buccal aspect, palatal, distal and mesial aspect. Okay.